page. You can see it. Wow, man, what a simplistic engine. Wonder if it's hard to get parts for. See, now this one is a different setup though. And one reason you can see like these engines a little bit moist, like look like they're leaking, is that because the oils are not as thick as usually they used to run in these cars, and some heavier, I think, oil is hard to come by. Or if they just run the regular 530 oils, it's not thick enough, so what happens is it's gonna seep among the gaskets. Even though I wonder if you could just use some sort of silicone to fill up that space, but I'm not sure. Crazy how these hoods open. See how it's folding as it opens. Makes it pretty, I think, easy to work on. You can easily take these off these hoods as well, and then, you know, make more room for you to work on. But meantime, until they do the raffle, I'm gonna kind of go around and show you guys the cars, because less people around the cars. And these Lightnings are beautiful trucks. These trucks, just, I don't know. Older cars are prettier than most of the modern ones. This green is beautiful. 64 Chevelle. Wow. Damn. This thing must be gnarly. Ooh, no more bench seat. That's how you know when these cars are gnarly, when they don't have bench seat no more, meaning it's too fast to just slide around, you know. Oh wow, this color is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, okay.
He didn't have any family. Oh, so he says, I want you to give it to my son.
I think I've seen this car before. Yeah, I think I've seen this car before on the street. Beautifully clean. Wow. GTO. GTOs are beautiful too. Man. Oh, that's the license plate? It's pretty cool. Don't touch.
677-286. 677-286.
The paint job on this thing is really great, because the green just reflects from around, so it gives it a real nice, like, unique touch, you know.
All right, 677-286 going once.
Ooh, 1941.
677-286 going twice, and it is. Okay, 677-381. 677. Over here. 677-381. Oh, look. Here's it. 2 items. 2.
Crazy clean. These paint jobs are just really nice.
Crispy.
Krispy Kreme? What is she saying? Krispy Kreme? And they should have started with that with the raffle. I would have signed up for some Krispy Kreme too. Now this is what I would like though, when it's less nice and you could build it and Ooh, but I like the patina though.
All right, 506-934. 506-934. Hurry, I got 2 more to go. 506-9. Going down here. Here we go.
Wow, so many cars.
This is for the Lazy Susan. Okay, 337-094. 337-09. I didn't win anything. You won. You're getting the Lazy Susan? I love Lazy Susan. You do so. Wait a minute.
Ooh, this thing gets slammed.
Watch
That
the
is
Lazy
crazy.
Susan now. I mean, you can.
Sheesh. That is a crazy turbo setup. Twin turbo. God damn. That's a really nice job. Oh damn, a V12 Jag. Man. It's like green apple, green. I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's crazy, like the chrome is so clean on these cars, like it's like a mirror at this point.
This is for the first one for the TV. I'm going digging deep, and I'm to the right. Is this good right here? Okay, if this is your ticket, we're in serious trouble. Okay, because I got some explaining to do. 678-613.
I think the best thing about these hot rods, to be honest, is that they're like so much more simplistic than the modern cars that you get to work on.
678-613.
Because you don't have all the crazy electronics and everything.
I need that.
So the engine pretty much, you know, runs itself or drives itself with the distributor style setup. So you don't need none of the electronic ECU shit to run the engine. It's just so amazing, man. Like just the simplicity of these cars. But yeah, the simplicity also comes with the price, since the cars are so old. Some of the applications are hard to find parts because they don't have a lot of aftermarket support.
Yeah.
Screen is pretty.
Okay. I don't.
Wonder how my Beamer would look with a green like this if I would paint the car. Ooh.
Okay, so right now we're still tallying up for the trophies. So we're
Just
gonna
looking at the suspension
get the money
design.
out now.
It's pretty crazy. Same thing on the rear. It's like it's pretty crazy because all you have is these long beams holding the suspension on this thing. Oh, and on the rear you have a double spring style setup. Huh. Yeah, this thing have to be like so much fun to drive. It's like a go-kart if you think about it. Man, hot rods are cool as fuck, especially hot rods like that. But that's my style. I think everybody has a different sort of style with their cars. And I think that's the greatest thing about cars, is that like everybody has a different kind of image in their head, especially when they build a car. So you know, that way they can express themselves and also the car. But it depends on like how does the car come and look, and what way you're trying to make it look like.
What? Okay, I gotta check this one. Double check. Okay, you need to see the turbo lady lecture.
Whoa. plumbing and drain cleaning. Wow. Ooh. That interior is nice. Full on race car stuff.
Okay, no hands. Remember, no hands.
It's 30. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. Oh gosh. Yeah.
It's crazy. Crazy. Especially the other thing that's crazy, some of these cars, they come, you know, from totally beat up. So not all of them are like nice from the factory.
Okay, here's the last one.
Classic Mopar.
I heard somebody.
Wow. 29. 1929, man. It's like so just crazy, you know. These cars are kind of like a time capsule as well, because it's something people made in 1929, and it's still, you know, drivable and works, and it's on the road. Well, not all of them, of course. What? That's crazy. It's crazy, and you can just get to the spark plug like that, like not removing nothing, you know. You don't have to remove half the engine to just get to such a simple thing. Man, if I would have the money, I would definitely get one of these and just play with it. Definitely not easy, because I think I would have to custom make some parts, you know, that you can find. Can you imagine driving something like that? It's totally different than any of the cars you drive nowadays.
267. No, it wasn't me apparently. Okay.
Damn. This yellow is beautiful.
855627.
You could like accidentally kick the Lego like this. You could be running.
Seen that. All right, Annette, here comes the first one.
And maybe it's gonna be time to leave soon before everybody else tries to leave, so I can avoid some traffic. I just want to record some of the rears of the cars, because as you can see, I didn't go all around all the cars. You know, it's like I don't want to be bothering people, stuff like that. Clean, super clean. And 49 Mercury. Wow. This paint job is so crazy beautiful.
Oh, look at me. Wow. Oh, look at him. He got up. He's paralyzed. He can't run.
Wow. These paint jobs are really, really beautiful. Man. Oh, this car has the nicest paint job in the show. It's crazy. So hopefully I kind of avoid all the traffic. Getting pretty crazy, but thank you so much for you guys coming by. with me, I guess, on the camera and checking out the show. I think it was pretty cool. We saw some really nice cars, and I'm sorry I can't get into more detail about the cars or walk around more, you know. I don't know. I don't want to be all up in there everybody's shit. I don't want to be that guy like, oh, like content. But I hope I can get to show you guys like how this car meet look like. If you want to see more of this crazy stuff I do, you know, just me being me, and leave a subscribe also, and then check out more of my content.